Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explain how to show hidden apps on your phone. You might have hidden apps on your phone that could be spyware or malware. We'll show you how to reveal them using a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's begin. This is my phone. I have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok on it. Now, I'm going to hide Facebook Lite, and I'll show you how to find these hidden apps. For example, first, we'll go to our phone settings, then to display settings. After that, we'll tap on home screen, and at the bottom, we'll find hide apps. Tap on it. Then, for example, we'll hide Facebook Lite, or Facebook, or TikTok. I'll hide Facebook Lite, and then tap done. Now, when we return to the phone's home screen, we won't find Facebook Lite. This means it has been hidden from the phone. Now, to find out more, those apps that are hidden on your phone are very simple to find. Click on the app you'll find in the first pinned comment, then open it. After opening the app, you'll find all the default system apps here. Don't search among these apps for hidden ones, as they are all system apps. Click here, and you'll find all the apps installed on your phone, whether from the Google Play Store or elsewhere. You'll find all the apps, as you can see. Among them, I found the Facebook Lite app, which I had previously hidden. So, if you find any app that doesn't appear on your phone's home screen and you find it here, it means that app is hidden. Click on it. Then click on the Install or Uninstall button to uninstall it.